Hey there, crew. It's Coach Pipes coming at you live, excited and full of energy. I hope you're doing fantastic. I'm looking at a list right now. This is a list of 29 people that I coach or have personally coached that broke the $1 million mark while we were working together. Coaching experience, 120,000 coaching sessions, and I've created for you the ultimate breakthrough course coming up here in July. It is called 7-Figure Selling, 8 weeks online, delivered 1 hour with 1 hour role play session. We're going to unpack how to convert leads more. And we've got over 20 scripts in terms of how to be able to generate more leads, pitch like a millionaire. It is a proprietary listing presentation, buyer consult that we're going to teach you, where you're going to learn exactly how to present to sellers so that they say yes, they see your value, they pay your commission, they list at a price that will cause the home to sell. The buyer presentation, our proprietary process, is designed around the education of a buyer, for them to understand why it is so important for them to be able to write up aggressive offers, understanding the market and gaining exclusivity with them. Listen, when I look at that list of 29 people, one of the things that I know about every single one of them is this: they have a strong personal psychology. So during these 8 weeks, we're going to continuously be working on your mindset, overcoming limiting beliefs, a 6x10 process that is designed to have you lit up, moved, touched, and inspired every single day to go out and crush the day. And we're going to work through specifically what it is that you need to do to be able to maintain a higher level of efficiency, that $1 million schedule, how to be able to follow it, how to overcome the distractions. I'm going to be teaching you NLP during the course of these 8 weeks. And what NLP is it's the science of persuasion and influence, from things from conversational hypnosis to how to be able to directly access the subconscious mind, understand criteria of your clients, move them forward powerfully. So what does that mean for you? That means in 8 weeks, you're going to have the chance to be able to massively top grade your skills, to become more efficient, how to develop yourself as an area expert, and how to be able to have more people be a yes to you. You got to have the foundations, and you got to be able to actually build those foundations, and you got to be able to actually be a great salesperson. Be sure to sign up. All the information is below. Look forward to seeing you. Coach Pipes, out.